Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about how to create and use variables in Grafana. Okay, so let me log into Grafana. I'm going to skip this. So the first step is to, I actually got the steps here, is to open your existing Grafana dashboard. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use this dashboard here. And then the second step is to edit or click the dashboard settings, right? And select variables from the left side menu and add variable. Okay, so let me do that. So edit, settings, variables, and add variable. So I'm creating a variable called hostname. Okay, so I'm going to select query for the variable type, which is what I have here. And then I'm going to say hostname. And then the label is device name. And I'm going to leave the description blank for now. And then under data source, I'm going to select PostgreSQL 17. And then I'm going to copy and paste this query here. So select hostname from network devices table, order by hostname. Okay. And then click apply. So there's no apply here actually, but I'm going to select alphabetical and then multi-value. So here we can see the preview of values. Access switch 1, core router, firewall 1, router 1, switch 1. Okay. Actually, we can just run query. Yeah, it ran already because we can see the values here. And save. And now we should see a drop down appear at the top of our dashboard. Okay, so back to dashboard. Yes, here. Device name, and this is the list of the devices. Okay, so to use the variable in a panel query, we need to add or edit the existing panel. So we're going to edit the existing panel, and then we're going to use the variable in our SQL query in this example. So I'm going to go to edit and then query. So here we are selecting all the tables here or columns, right? But we are actually going to filter this. Where I'm going to add this where part, and then I'm gonna run query. Just save because I can't expand it. And now Grafana automatically replaces hostname with the value selected in the drop down. Okay, so see if I can see it here. No, we can't. So I'm just gonna go back to dashboard. In here, so let's say I'm going to select 2 devices. Oops, did it work? Let's review that. Oh, it's because of this. Let me replace that, run query. Yeah, here. So it's now working as expected. Let's say I'm going to select all the devices, run query. Yeah, we see all the devices. Yeah, so we can now select one or more host names from the drop down, which I just did. And the panel updates instantly based on our selection. And of course, we are using or we selected the table panel, right? Let me save that again, back. And let me just select firewall 1. Yeah. So we have created and used a variable in Grafana. So we are now using it to dynamically filter data from a PostgreSQL data source. All right, so hopefully if you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.